can see the heart in the middle. All right, still a little bit in the pericardium. You have the lungs on the side of the heart, so this would be the left lung. Remember, the cat's orientation is reversed. So this is the left lung, this is the right lung. You have the diaphragm, which is the wall between the thoracic and abdominal cavities. The sheet here is the diaphragm. Okay, this is the liver. The largest internal organ of the body is the liver. And you can see a greenish sac embedded in the liver. That's the gallbladder. All right, it's very clear in this cat. You can see a little bag here. That's the gallbladder. If you lift up the liver, you can see the J-shaped stomach. This is the stomach. And then under the stomach, you can see this glandular material. This is the pancreas. So this material here is the pancreas under the stomach.
Is it all fat over there?
Yeah, this is fat, the yellowish, but this material here is pancreas. All right, it looks like lobular, like cottage cheesy. Okay, and then you have the small intestine. Well, this is small intestine because it's narrow in diameter, and it gives rise to the large intestine. The first part of the large intestine here, where the small intestine and large intestine meet, so it curves like a finger. This is called the cecum. So the cecum represents the junction between the small and large intestine. It's the beginning of the large intestine. So this is the cecum. All the rest of this is large intestine or colon. We could also see down here, this is the urinary bladder. Right, it's pretty small in this cat. Right, it depends how full the bladder is. Like this one looks full. All right, some of them are like balloon-like. Those are empty. So, but the urinary bladder is always here in the pelvic region. Okay. This is, anyone know what this is? Spleen. The spleen looks like a large tongue. This is the kidney. This is the left kidney. And the tube, going from, let's see. This is the, is that the ureter or is that the ovary? I'm trying to see where it's coming out of.
I would not know.
It's probably the ovary here. It's a female cat, right?
Yeah.
Do we need to know the ovary?
No, you don't have to know. Yeah, the ovary's here. This is the ovary. This is the question. This would be the horns of the uterus.
Your cat.
Oh, possibly.
I'm not sure if it's, yeah, because
Good
usually
thing
the
that's last time we're doing this.
ureter usually comes out of here. And also in this area here, this is the trachea here.
Trachea is the
Trachea has rings in it. You could always tell the trachea because it has rings. The larynx is above the trachea.
Wait,
no.
Wait, can you repeat that? Sorry.
Yeah, you always tell the trachea
Just
because it has
random.
rings in it, like rings of hyaline cartilage. So the trachea would be over here. This is the trachea. And then the larynx is above the trachea. It's the Adam's apple above it. And that's pretty much it.